Welcome, guys. If you are new here, be sure to hit that red subscribe button. Guys, we just watched episode 3 of Chainsaw Man, and as you know, we get a different ending every episode. Isn't that amazing? That's absolutely amazing, guys. This is my reaction to the ending number 3 right after reacting to the full episode. Be sure to click the link in my description or in the comments below to view it on my Patreon, guys. I appreciate you so much, guys. I am so grateful for you guys even clicking this video and giving me a chance, man. Let's get into this reaction. Oh my god, this song is insane. This like this fits it perfect, bro. Look at Power, man. What the bro, what am I listening to, bro? Listen to that.
Come.
Oh, that switch just changed the whole vibe. I love it though. Oh my god, bro. That ending was absolutely insane, bro. Holy crap, man. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed that reaction to the ending of episode 3 of Chainsaw Man. Be sure to go check out the Patreon. Like I said, that was the best ending yet, right? They just keep getting better and better, man, and I'm here for it. Like I said in the beginning as well, guys, I am forever grateful for you guys even clicking on my video and giving it a chance. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed this. I appreciate you. Have a great day. You know the vibes. Peace.